Ito, luto na naman. Ay, hindi puro lang adobo nilulutuin natin. Ibayin natin ang luto. And we'll see after. Try natin yung potatoes. Set aside muna natin tong potato natin. And then, magpilito tayo ng bell pepper. Okay. And then, lagay natin yung bell pepper. Then, fry the bell pepper, yellow and red. And then, saka yung carrots. Set aside. Muna natin ito. Then, ibigta tayo ng ginger. And then, sibuyas. And then, pirituin natin yung pork liver. Okay. I'm frying my pork liver right now. Fry muna natin to. Let's put this aside. Tapos, yung meat natin, pakuluin natin ng konti. Okay. Okay, this is almost done, but I'm not done yet. But I'm boiling this para lumambot. Okay, lagyan natin ng konting tomato sauce. Mix it. Tapos, lagyan natin ng liver spread. Lagyan na natin lahat. Like I said, huwag tipirin ng linuluto para masarap. Tapos, lagay na natin yung bell pepper at saka tomatoes. Potato, sorry, my bad. Okay. And then mix it. And lagay natin ang isang kutsarang tomato paste. Okay, mix it. And little bit yum. Just a little bit, not too much. I only put this on once in a while. Use this once in a while. Not every day. Little bit yum. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Bye-bye. Let's eat. Lagyan natin isang latang cream fish.